Okay, so I have had this ice maker for since December of 2022. And I absolutely love it. I do not like any other ice now. It's very easy to use. Just put water down in there and fill it up, and then it does not take long at all to make this perfect ice. I love it, especially in my iced coffees. I already did my espresso, so I'm just gonna add the ice to it, and it comes with this little thing. I absolutely love it. It kind of is a little annoying to have to clean, but it's not that big of a deal, and I absolutely love it. You can also use your phone to control it, so if you're going on vacation and you want fresh ice when you get home, you can program it to on every day or whatever, or turn off when you're on, but go on your app and turn it on for when you get home so you have fresh ice. Anyways, it also has a light, so you can see I usually just keep it off. It comes with a tray. But yeah, I love it very much, and I highly recommend.
This is our GE Profile Nugget Ice Maker. I love it. I do not have the one with the attached water tank. That costs a little more, but you can also add that on later if you decide. I just use one of these little grabs, and when it's low, you just take this out and add some more water down there. I probably do it twice a day if we're using it all day. You can turn the light on right here and do kind of like a ambiance kind of feels, especially cool at night. The power takes about an hour or so to fill up about halfway here, and then I just have it going all night, and it's full in the morning. I love the little scooper it comes with, and it comes with this little drip tray, which is great. It also detaches, so you can easily dump it, clean it out. The container stops like this, so you don't have to worry about it spilling. Nugget ice is really great, nice consistency. It's not hard, and it's not the really big chunky nugget ice. This is the really good size. So definitely recommend grabbing one of these. And yes, I do need to do a clean cycle on it, which is also very easy to do.
It's just pouring out back there because this hose right here cannot be connected. So it's just pouring in the bottom. It cannot be connected because this down here is cracked and made the motor or whatever this is turn. So I can't connect the hose back. So the water that is in the reservoir, or was, is just pouring down into the bottom of the machine now.
Well, I'm not one to write negative reviews, but I'm about to. I sprung for the extra expensive and fancy ice machine, and unfortunately, I purchased it in January. It's March, and it has completely stopped working. The product support helpline is a maze of nonsense. Highly do not recommend. If there was any recourse and any way I could get this exchanged for a new ice maker, I would be happy to change this review. But as it stands now, it's a complete waste of money, and I'm very, very disappointed.
It's making ice. And we think it's haunted. This is
a little louder than usual.
Give me some ice, please.
GE Nugget Ice Maker. One of the best purchases we've made in a long while. Very easy to fill with water. You could hook it to your water source. Makes ice in about 25-30 minutes. Cleaning's very easy. We use bottled water to fill it all summer long. Nugget ice. Kids love it. Husband loves it. I love it. Fits compact on your counter. This is as loud as it gets. It's making ice currently. Recommend it. 10 out of 10.
That's because it has a buildup of hard water, and it'll start making that sound, and then it'll stop working.
First time use. Leaks everywhere. It makes ice, don't get me wrong. Loud as crap, but it's just water leaks everywhere from all sides. I literally have to move it with countertops.